Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel फूफू कॉर्नर्स लाइफ ब्यूटी एंड फैशन। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ रिपब्लिक डे के बारे में। आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। और चलिए चलते हैं अब। Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Let us salute the nation of Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. Today, India is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day, that is Tuesday on this year. Republic Day is a national festival that has nothing to do with any religion and caste. The Constitution of our country came into force on this day, 26 January 1950, which was created by Baba Saheb, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Our dignity should be an Indian and not any caste or religion. Be a proud Indian. This year, the Republic Day parade will be slightly different because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The parade will reportedly begin from the Vijay Chowk and end at the National Stadium, covering a distance of just 3.3 kilometers instead of 8.2 kilometers. Looking at the pandemic, the security officially will be only allow 25,000 spectators to witness the Republic Day parade. Here it is noteworthy to mention that people will be comorbidities and children below 15 would not able allowed at spectators due to global COVID-19 situation. First in 55 years, India has been decided that this year there will not be any foreigner head of state or government as a chief guest for a Republic Day event. Let's be united by heart and soul. Don't ever allow anyone to break us. We will be called independent only then. History on this day, India was declared full sovereign republic. Salute of 21 guns, the unfurling of the Indian national flag by Dr. Rajendra Prasad here held at the historic birth of an Indian republic on that day. Thereafter, 26th of January was declared a national holiday and was recognized as the Republic Day of India. After 894 days, we got rid of the British rule. Our country became an independent state. Since then, every year, Republic Day is celebrated with a pride and gaiety throughout the nation. Nearly 2 decades old journey was conceived as a dream in 1930, and the valiant revolutionaries of our India realized it as a Republic Day in 1950. Since then, India was created as a secular and democratic nation, and a historic event was realized. In the midnight of 31st December 1929, during the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress, an initiative was made to make the nation independent. The session was presided over by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The revolutionaries present at the meeting took an oath to make India a historic initiative on 26 January 1930 as the Independence Day to liberate India from British government rule and realized full independence. The first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly was held on 9 December 1946, in which Indian leaders and the British cabinet missions participated. There were many discussions, recommendations and debates about giving India a constitution. After several amendments, the Indian constitution was finalized, which was officially adopted after 3 years. That was on 26 November 1949. On this occasion, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was sworn in as the first president of India. India had become an independent nation on 15th August 1947. It expressed the true spirit of independence on 26 January 1950. Happy Republic Day to all of you. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. At the last, let us take a pledge that we would not let the efforts of our brave freedom fighter go in vain. We would strive to make our country best in the world. Happy Republic Day to all of you and Jai Hind.